How to fix notifications on Google Chrome browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Google Chrome browser notifications easy and fast. So all what you have to do is go to the top corner right here, click on those three dots and go down to settings, and now all what you have to do is go to this privacy and security tab. Click on it and then click right here on site settings and scroll down to this notifications option. You will find it here and click on it, and right here as you can see you can now choose any option between those. You can enable the notifications from here, or you can disable them from here, or you can even enable the quieter messaging mode easily. And yeah, you can also see the allowed websites to send notifications from here. So if you want to block a website, you can block it easily. And yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching until the very end. See you later.